Welcome to the NetSuite order-to-cash process. Everything in NetSuite has been designed and developed around the order. Everything from procurement to CRM has been designed to facilitate order entry. The order-to-cash process can either be an extension of the lead-to-estimate process or can be done standalone. Sales orders in NetSuite give you the ability to create a fulfillment process for items related to inventory or items that have a performance obligation associated with them before they can be invoiced. Invoices can then be emailed directly from NetSuite, and customer responses will be captured inside of NetSuite on the customer record. In this demonstration, we'll see the seamless creation of an invoice from a sales order, item fulfillment, and customer payment. I'm going to take on the role of a sales rep to walk you through the power of the platform and illustrate how these concepts make my life a little bit easier. I am now logged into NetSuite. This is a purpose-built dashboard created specifically for my role, leveraging years of leading practices, and it contains reminders, shortcuts, and key metrics necessary for me to perform my job. From my home dashboard, I will navigate to the sales order transaction form. Sales orders are a non-GL posting transaction. Here, I will select my customer and choose the items being purchased using the drop-down menu on the item line of the sales order. Then I can select the various items to be purchased. I'll select a 24-inch monitor, some consulting services, and a software item. For the consulting services and the software item, I'll change the price level to a 30% discount, just one of the price levels that I've set on the item record. Notice that the description and rate are all populated with the item details created on the item record. NetSuite also supports customer-specific pricing and group price levels as well. With the items entered, we'll move to the Billing subtab. You can see that the payment terms and billing address are pre-populated using data from the customer record. NetSuite supports multiple shipping and billing addresses and will retain the historical addresses from the sales order and invoice transactions. NetSuite is also PCI compliant and has multiple merchant providers that can allow for credit card processing right within your NetSuite system. I'll now save this sales order. With the sales order entry complete, I'll move to my controller role, where I can now fulfill and invoice the items on the sales order. By using my search bar, I'm able to navigate directly to the sales order I just created. Directly from that sales order, I can click Fulfill, and I'll be taken to the fulfillment record for all inventory items requiring shipment. You can see that only the monitor shows up on my list, as the software and consulting services do not require fulfillment in this example. Depending on my preferences, I can have an automatic email notification sent out to my customer indicating that this sales order has been fulfilled. Now that the sales order has been fulfilled, I'm ready to invoice this customer. I can bill here from the item fulfillment record or directly from the sales order. Once saved, depending on customer preferences, it will then be automatically sent to the customer. Let's return to the sales order, and we'll see that it has been invoiced and is now showing as billed. On the Related Records subtab, you have full visibility into the fulfillment and invoicing associated with this sales order transaction. Now let's move to the final and arguably the most important step in the process, receiving the payment. Payments can be made directly here from the customer record. Once I type in the amount of the payment, it can be either auto-applied to the oldest invoice or individually selected, and any necessary discounts can be taken at the line level and posted to the defined GL account of your choosing. Now, going back to my sales order in the Related Records subtab, we can see that the invoice is now marked Paid in Full. We just walked through how NetSuite's sales order is an extension to the basic invoicing process that provides visibility, allows for efficient item fulfillment, and invoice processing with automated notifications to the customer every step of the way. NetSuite also makes it easy to process payments and provides all the tools and visibility you need for receivables management. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing how NetSuite helps you grow and scale your business while making your processes more efficient.